the organizer, we are presenting you. I think they're all ready. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss World International 2025 Long Gown Competition. We begin with
candidate number 1. Candidate number 1, Miss Renalyn Yago, all the way from Camarines Norte.
She's wearing a silver and blue see-through gown with a special reveal inspired by a wedding dress.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome candidate number 2. Candidate number 2, Jen Austria. She's from Zamboanga, Missouri.
Our candidate number 2 is wearing a fuchsia pink gown with a pink stargazing lights and pack of stars as a cape, embellished with silvers and floral designs. Let's give it up for our candidate number 2.
Number 2. And now let's all welcome our candidate number 3, Miss Mikay Galendes.
Our candidate number 3, she's wearing a masquerade-inspired gown with a purple and violet combination of colors with a pink design of feathers embellished with silvers and crystals. Let's get up for candidate number 3. Thank you so much, candidate number 3.
And now let's welcome our candidate number 4. Our candidate number 4 is no other than Miss Michelle Ventura.
Our candidate number 4 is wearing an all-black gown with a high seat and the back legs. Let's give it up for the black is in. Candidate number 4.
All the way from Isabel.
Kiribam.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. For our next candidate, our candidate number 5 is no other than Miss Natalie Capit.
Our candidate number 5 is wearing a full maroon high sleeve gown. Simple yet elegant. Let's give it up for candidate number 5.
Watch sarili niya. Naging TikTok ang pandaw na. Narinig ko yan.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5.
Wala pa.
Our next candidate is Miss Ronaldine Gallio. Ronaldine Gallio is coming from Estabella.
Our candidate number 6 is wearing a June-side certificate gown, which says color of the sky is blue and white. Let's give it up for candidate number 6, Ronaldine Gallio of Isabela. Thank you so much. Candidate number 6. And now, candidate number 7, Saikiko from Bohol. Is wearing a deep blue high-silk glimmerous planted gown. Let's give it up for
Charger.
candidate number 7.
Thank you. Oh, may pa-wave.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Let's all welcome our candidate number 8, Miss Shannon Rose Gulata.
Our candidate number 8 is wearing a Venus hat with high
love it.
fiery gown with a very beautiful hat. Let's give it up for candidate number 8, all the way from Davao del Sur.
Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love you like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. You're waiting for. Ayun na yan. Bago.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate.
And now,
May both sign it.
Candidate number 9.
Lori Jane Viniera.
Our candidate number 9 is wearing a glittery, splendid, deep red gown embellished with deep red crystals and stones. Let's give it up for candidate number 9.
Nakita mo na yung Fante? Yung Macau?
Thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Ang ganda, sobra. Ay, hindi naman sobra, pero ang ganda. Yung naka-green siya, yung blue. Oo, dalawang Macau, magandang fan nila.
Michelle Acosta.
Our candidate number 10 is wearing a high-sleek red gown embellished with silver and crystals. Let's give it up from the province of North Cotabato, candidate number 10.
Mataas.
only way from north to battle.
Ang bilis.
Let's all welcome our candidate number 11, Miss Mabel Mitchell.
Our candidate number 11 is wearing a serpentine design.
Maganda rin yung black.
Embedded with crystals and sequences. Let's give it up for candidate number 11.
Shimmery.
In-enjoy namin yung production number niya.
Wow.
May kaba pa yun, ha? May kaba pa yun. Pero ang dali. Kaya nga eh. Pinagpala kayo, may ganyan, ha? Ako, kain mo lang ako sa
Thank you so much, candidate number 11, all the way from Leyte. Now let's give the floor to candidate number 12, Sarah Raylene Neal.
Our candidate number 12 is wearing a black and rose gold design gown with floral accent. Let's give it up for candidate number 12, all the way from Cagayan, Alma. Thank you so much, candidate number 12. And now let's all welcome candidate number 13. Our candidate number 13 is wearing a all black gown, all the way from Macau. Our candidate number 13 is Miss Ara.
Miss Macau. Kulang sa confidence.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13. And now let's all welcome our candidate number 14, Miss Jane Douglas.
Our candidate number 14 is wearing a silver accented with beads and stones designed in accent with the accent of feathers on the table. Let's give it all for our number 14, all the way from Davao del Norte. Thank you so much, candidate number 14. And now let's give it up for candidate number 15, all the way from Pico, Mr. Sam Ojales. She's wearing a combination of red and silk gold, glittery stones and rhinestones, crystals with accentuated with black gloves. Let's give it up for candidate number 15, Lisel Ojales.
Para Parang magbabago ka. Ang dapat iPad ka? Ha?
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 15. And now let's all welcome our candidate number 16.
Another masquerade inspired gown, a fiery gown, all red, accentuated with silver and pearls. Let's give it up for number
16.
Rachel Casana, province of Samar.
Gaman na pala sa Kanta.
Love me like you. Love you waiting for.
Thank you so much, candidate number 16. And now let's welcome to candidate number 17.
Nandun tayo, di ba? Bikini challenge yan. Ano ba yun?
Candidate number 17 from the province of Pangasinan, we have Angeline Belga.
Kami nandun sa tulog pa.
Candidate number 17 is wearing a blue gown, accentuated with black fur. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 17 from Pangasinan.
Ano daw sa kalipan ko? Ugal yun. Ugal yun ako. Ugal yun Pangasinan. Di ba tuloy na rin?
Thank you so much, candidate number 17.
Bilis.
But now let's welcome our candidate number 18. Our candidate number 18 all the way from Bukidnon.
Our candidate number 18 is wearing a new collar gown with a high slit. Simple yet fabulous. Let's give it up for candidate number 18 all the way from Bukidnon, Jeremy Pinuo.
Thank you so much, candidate number 18. And now let's all give it up to candidate number 19.
Our candidate number 19 all the way from the city of Baguio. Our candidate number 19, she's wearing a silver and white gown, accentuated with pearls, crystals, and stones. Let's give it up for candidate number 19.
Sinisipan ka lang. Dapat tinaas niya konti. Dapat tinaas niya kahit sa una lang para ilakad niya. Kasi parang sinisipan niya.
Thank you so much, candidate number 19.
May glittery.
And now let's all
kay Ken Fali.
Tapos i-video mo natin Leanne.
She's wearing rose gold gown with crystals and stones. Let's give it up for candidate number 20.
Smile Laning! Smile Laning! Friend namin yan!
Thank you so much, candidate number 20. Our next candidate is all the way from Davao City. Let's all give it up to Miss Elijah Lumigian.
Candidate number 21, all the way from Davao City. She's wearing a combination of pink and red gown with ice cream, embellished with crystals and pearls. Let's give it up for candidate number 21, Elijah Lumigian.
May confidence siya. Sobrang lakas. Naka-smell siya lagi. Tapos bawat move niya may parang may pinig.
Thank you so much, candidate number 21. And now let's welcome our candidate number 22. Our candidate number 22, all the way from Esteban.
Ay! Bakit ganyan yung gown niya? Tail na. Ay. Sayang nga. Wala. Kasi long gown na yun eh. Parang sayang siya. Wala na nga to. Wala na. Size yata.
Thank you so much, candidate number 22, Mary Joy Pardinas. Our next candidate is candidate number 23. She's coming
Ano number? Ano number?
from
Number 2? Mamaya pa naman? Oo nga, mamaya. Oo nga kayo mamaya. Akala ko yan na. Nahuli na naman yun nung nakaraan.
Kasama ko pag-grab ko.
Ay, ganda. Ganda rin.
Thank you so much, candidate number 23, Miss Marissa Esposar. Our next candidate is candidate number 24, all the way from Ilocos Sur. Candidate number 24 is Miss Ronnie Narvacan. Alright, so let's head to candidate number 25, Miss Francia Salad.
Para kasi sa kanya yung ngayon eh. Kaya ayaw niya.
Thank you so much, candidate number 26. And this time we have all the way from South Cotabato to Del Antenosio, our candidate number 27.
Oy, iniwala mo ako na nagtatapos ko. Aliri, hindi ka naman sabi. Ba't kasi nahulog? Walang sabi. Walang sumasaw. Sorry naman. Dapat sinabi mo na sa pasok ka sa akin. Hindi ko sabi sinabi mo na kapitan kita.
Thank you so much, candidate number 27.
And now, from Bacolod City, the land of smile. Let's give it up for candidate number 28, Rowena Bacol. Thank you so much, candidate number 20. And now, let's give it up for candidate number 29.
Love me like you do. Oh, Lorena! Lorena, go! OMG!
Ganda ng mga Ilocana.
Ay, true!
Ay, saka
Totoo.
Thank you so much, candidate number 29. Candidate number 30. Florida is MCU.
Agik
Once again, thank you, candidate number 29.
Give it up for candidate number 30, all the way from Macau, Miss Anne Sevilla.
Ano number? Ay, puta na.
And now, another candidate. We have candidate number 31.
Oh, walang
Eleanor
may
Elise
absent.
Caligo of Kalinga.
Alright, let's welcome our candidate number 32, all the way from Negros, Oriental.
So let's skip candidate number 30 and candidate number 31. Skip.
Kiribab na naman. Susunod na yata yung parang fairy. Yung parang fairy. Susunod ko ulit.
Thank you so much, candidate
May parang
number
fairy eh.
32.
May,
Irene Escobar.
oo, may 1-1 pa.
And now, our next candidate is Chevy Alzide of Kalinga. Candidate number 33.
Jowa pala ni Bunso.
Habibi!
Ano din kami?
Kabuk.
Ang ganda ng
Oh, ang ganda na. Kanta-kanta.
What are you waiting for?
Love you like you do. La la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Ta ta, touch me like you do.
I love you! Hoy! Hoy!
Ang jowa na galit na.
Gabi, walang parang ganyan.
Ang cute ng gang.
Abusan kasi. Oh, batal yan. Alubat.
Ay na, yun na.
Thank you so much, candidate number 32.
Isa pa!
And now, to welcome our next candidate, we have all the way from Maguindanao, Jonathan Dapo at candidate number 34. Thank you so much, candidate number 33.
And now, let's welcome our third candidate, Miss Jonathan Dapo.
Ito rin, may confidence din.
Gawa mo yun, ha?
Ay, ganun may pindot talaga?
Mag-islam na mag-diet niya.
Yes, it's so... daw dapat sinabi yon yung mag-diet.
Para magkita natin. Ako mga nanay nito may ko.
Yeah, nagsabi na.
Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda rin mukha. Ito, ang ganda diba? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng mukha. Tapos, may confidence siya. Oh, may ilaw pala yung kanya.
Ikaw ba yung makawa?
Thank you so much, candidate number 34. And this time, let us all welcome all the way from Macau, my candidate number 35, Beatriz Suarez.
Sundan. Macau, yeah. Ay, Macau. Iba yung mukha nung parang, sa Maria, ganyan. Ito rin, oh, ganda rin.
Parang siya si Rosa.
Oo. Yung blue? True. Ganda, so pretty.
Parang siya si Rosa.
Oo.
Hindi na kulang na siya sa frame.
Oo. Cute din ang guy. Hey, so pretty.
Thank you so much, candidate number 35.
And now, let's welcome our candidate number 36, all the way from Quezon Province.
Emily Alao.
Wow. Tangkad naman ito. Wow! Ang init!
Wow, so exciting. Awa ka ba yung
Thank you so much, candidate number 36. And now, let's give the floor to candidate number 37, Miss Vanessa Banat.
Tatlo na lang.
Oh!
Thank you so much, candidate number 37, Miss Vanessa Banat.
And now, our next candidate is candidate number 38, all the way from Macau. We have Olive Sevilla.
Ang cute naman.
Indonesia, Sochi Hanaru.
Ayaw nga siya yung bikini challenge. Dahil nga siya sa bikini challenge. Dahil nga siya yung nag-iisang magandang short. Siya lang yung hindi gutay-gutay yung short sa bikini challenge.
First runner-up siya dun eh.
Oo. Nanalo siya, umatik siya. Kaya na ang dito. Kaya na.
Thank you so much, candidate number 39, all the way from Indonesia.
Now, our last candidate, but not the least, all the way from Macau. Our candidate number 40, Miss Sia Perez. Thank you so much, candidate number 14. This time, once again, requesting our 39 lovely ladies to please join us here on stage for the awarding of our special awards. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, people of Hong Kong, our 40 beautiful and stunning ladies for this year's Miss World International.
Let's give a round of
Tayo
applause.
sa Miss Grand, hindi ko alam kung sa soccer, nahulog siya. Nahulog siya sa stage. Nahulog siya sa stage. Sa Miss Grand,
Ikot daw kayo, Ben. Ikot kayo.
Once again, I'm gonna read with you the criteria for this competition. Poison bearing, catwalk, stage performance, self-confidence, for a total of 50%.
Well, partner, before we announce the winners, let's give this certificate of appreciation to our sponsors. If your name is called, please claim your certificate. Proudly presented to Miss MJ Citro, Kuya Gwen, Miss Gloria Diaz, Miss Lawrence D. Camps, Mr. Big Scott, Miss MJ Legua, Miss Rosalyn Orsos,
Go, Larina!
WC.
Okay. Oh, go, Larina!
Is properly presented to Miss Eden Story.
Miss Jenalyn Gagin. Miss Jan Almazan. And Miss Cherry Stasio.
Cute nito, oh, nakapima. Jamie! Go, sis!